welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video you will get to see me install and style this wig. I do want to say thank you to True Glory Hair for sending me these bundles and this closure. I am super duper excited about today's video. This hair is just giving me all types of life. I love this texture. This texture is Kinky straight. I do have in an 18-inch 4x4 closure with 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles. And y'all, it is just all types of full. We have a high density here. We have some good length, just good hair quality overall. So before I get into just already talking about the hair, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already and hit the notification bell, as well as follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's jump into the video. So I don't really know if I got like a perfect picture when I got the package a couple weeks ago to show you guys what it comes in. So this is what the closure was in. I have it upside down. It was so nicely put in here. I actually think I have a boomerang on Instagram that I might insert right here on the screen so you guys can see how exactly it came. And then the bundles came in this really cute packaging and the little silk bags. So I'm keeping these bags, by the way. These are some really good quality bags. I'm keeping these. Okay, so I'm starting the video off with just showing you guys kind of like a pre-look into how I was creating the wig. I didn't want to sit and film myself making the wig because I really wanted to focus on just the quality of the hair as well as styling it, because I do feel like kinky textured hair does take a little bit more time to style if you want it to lay a certain way. So that's why I wanted to focus on that more so in this video than me actually creating the wig. If you guys are interested in seeing me create a wig, I do have some videos on my channel already. I'll put them in the description bar below. And then if you just want a new updated one, I can do that for you as well. Just let me know in the comment section. So yes, these are the bundles. I did bleach the 4x4 closure. So right now I have my wig complete and made. I have it here on my mannequin head and I'm just going to straighten the hair first because I love how full it is, but I didn't want it to be too full that it's giving me a lot of height from the roots. So I wanted to go in very carefully each track, layer by layer, and just straighten it out and get it as straight as possible, because regardless, that's the thing with kinky texture hair, you're still going to have a full look. It's not going to lay like super duper flat. You can get it flat, but it's not going to be like that slick, sleek, super straight hair. So I did go in by track and just straighten it out a little bit. Once I got to the top, that is when I come in on camera and show you guys the top of the hair. Laying the lace was absolutely so easy. That is one thing that I think is just great that I dealt with this wig. So I did go in and pluck the front of the closure as well as my parting space. I'm sticking with the middle part. Y'all know that's my go-to. So I plucked the middle part first and then I went in on the frontal. And I didn't do such a parting job with plucking the front of the closure. I just went in and just plucked the front because I knew I just needed it to just lay a little bit better in terms of looking natural. So you don't have to over pluck or do like the extra plucking with this closure. And after that, I did use some Got To Be in the black container to just make sure the wig stays exactly where I need it to. So I wanted to make sure I stuck the wig down before cutting the lace off, and then I also just made sure that the lace was blending into my skin, as well as making sure the hairline is just pushed back to look like it's just growing from the root. And I'm really pleased with how this closure did. It did a great job with blending into my skin, and I know that for a fact because I was able to take pictures and I was like, dang, I can't even detect the lace. Like, that's just how good of a lace it is. I will say, for one thing, my forehead looked big, but that's just because I got a big forehead, but that's on that. The hair quality though is absolutely amazing. I have not dealt with any crazy shedding, not any crazy tangling. I'm obsessed with this closure and how well it blended to my skin. I am just in awe. True Glory Hair, you are amazing in my book. I absolutely love. I am in love. I do not know how many times I have to say that. This hair quality is so amazing. This texture is amazing. I just didn't have any problems. It was easy to lay, easy to slay. So I highly recommend, you guys. I highly, highly recommend it. Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment as well. I want to say thank you to True Glory Hair again. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.